Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, Jan 7th, around 7:40 a.m. We are looking at mostly the LinkedIn trade. Yesterday, we put in the Baidu trade. Baidu is looking bullish, so I think this bull put should work well. It's got 24 days. Now, what is concerning is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is persisting. It's persistently bearish, and so we've got a long call here. I'm thinking the way to neutralize this would be, let's look at our positions. We have this in the Jan 5. So if we come to the Jan monthly series, and we have our long call at 220. So, 230. And I think what we need to do is to sell 225 will give us about 80 cents. The 220 should give us about $1.20. And it looks like in the pre-market, LinkedIn is expected to go down further. So the bearish trend is continuing. So therefore now what we want to do is to try to recover as much as we can between the Jan monthly as well as the Jan 4, and of course we do have Jan 5 as well. So here I think what might be a good way to adjust this is to sell 10 contracts of the 220 call. This price would probably come down a little bit, so maybe 1.1. We've paid 2.5 for our long call, so even if we can come close to that over the next couple of weeks in terms of recovering that, I think this would be good. This is a good adjustment for LinkedIn right now. And then there are a couple of other stocks. So we'll put this in at the open itself. I'll include that note in my email. And then there are a couple of stocks we are looking at, which is going to be bullish. So one of them is, yesterday 3D Systems got a downgrade and it actually went down about $5. But now you can see in the pre-market, the 3D Systems is up a couple of dollars. I was expecting that to happen because this is a very strong stock. It's a market leader in the 3D space. So I think we may want to take a bull call spread, or of course we don't want to go into Jan. Now the only concern is earnings, because all of these stocks now we are entering into earnings season. I think we'll have to review that. So I'll put out a separate alert on that. Also, FedEx has shown some weakness lately. If you look at the charts, it went up to a high of almost 145, but it's been coming down. So perhaps a bullish trade on FedEx also might be good. But again, I'll review we have to watch out for earnings now. We are entering earnings season this week. So all stocks, any stocks that we deal with, we'll have to look at it from the perspective of earnings. So anyway, but we'll do the LinkedIn adjustment this morning. Thanks.